Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to change a battery on a Mini Cooper key. This particular key was found for models starting from 2004 up until 2008. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, and once you've opened the case, you have to open the case by just putting the screwdriver inside and gently trying to open the case up. It opens in two pieces like so, and again, when you're doing this procedure, please make sure you don't affect the board that you have inside. So try not to push the screwdriver too much in depth. Okay, if you don't feel confident in doing this, please seek help from a specialist, or take your key into a specialist to help. Okay, you'll find the battery on the back of the board. Again, I will be pushing it gently out so that we don't damage any of the circuits on the board. Okay, and once removed, our battery in our case is a CR2025. We replace the battery with a fresh one and put the positive terminal on facing the top. Okay, once that is done, you'll put the key back in place and align, so the buttons do come on the front like you see in here. You align the top of the case, okay, until it clicks, and your key is ready to go. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you do have any questions, please leave a comment below. Have a good day.